Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's training video is from our Tai Chi training. It is the opening of the 72 posture form, its application to the beginning. But before we go there, I need you to go over the boxes. Click like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
Deep breath in. Exhale, sink. Step off, step out, touch. Center your weight. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then out for 6. And close. Again, deep breath in. Exhale, sink. Lift the left foot. Step out, touch. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Really simple. It's going to throw a punch coming right here, mid-level. All right, so the drawback in here is you're just going to step and cover. Other side, step and cover. So you guys are going to focus on one elbow, your peripheral pick up the other when he throws the punches, which is step off the line and cover from here. Come up, step off the line and cover. The elbows are in and back, okay? Nice and simple. Pull it back. And you start with your hands down, in and back. In and back, okay? That's just this piece here. These are your 2 snakes, all right? Straight punch going to come in. You can use your snakes on the inside, right? Come in on the inside to use your snakes. So you can use them outside or use them inside, and that's all from here. All right? So punch comes in. 1, 2, and again, if your fingers aren't strong, don't worry about it. Just use your fist, okay? So again, coming in, step in 1, 2, and strike. So you guys, if you're home, you don't always have to use the whole form, so just take your time, take a deep breath in, and use this like a Qigong exercise. Just move and strike, nice and slow. Move and strike. All right, pick up your feet, move and strike. All right? So the same thing from here, he punches in and strike. So even though you guys aren't using this remember this is my golden rule. Touch one hand, look at the other. Because you know, God forbid, as sure as God made little green apples, that other hand's coming, right? Sure as God made little green apples. So coming through, when I'm in here with my first piece, if he shoots the other one, you're still good coming your way through this, right? So give me the 1, 2, it's okay, right? Coming 1, 2, go ahead. And 2. So you can take the double, right? In, or either one's fine. And that's all just from here. Okay? So again, nice and slow. 1, 2, and strike. Okay? Would you take so the opening. All this is, I mean, great. You're setting your form, you're coming up. It's just opening the form. It's a sidekick. So I'm not asking you to throw high side kicks. In Chinese martial arts, you tend to kick a little higher. And then for reality practice, when you train, strike low. But if you're going to train your leg to make it stronger, the kick goes up a little higher. But reality is going to dictate when he throws that straight punch, we're going to take the same thing, whip my pressure, and you're going to come in. You could take the ankle or the knee, either one. Okay? Come off the line. I come check from here. The knee is a really good shot from here. Just step on it. Pop. You all okay with that? You sure? All right, give it a go. We'll stop at that one.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.